Hey guys, welcome to the introductory lesson to LLMs. So today I'll be discussing about what are LLMs. I'm going to make it very quick. We're going to be talking about every point that's mentioned here in the quickest possible manner. And yes guys, we'll be very soon moving out to our development course as well, which will teach you really a lot of things that you need to excel in your career or perhaps in AI industry. So guys, the first question, what is LLM? So LLM, large language model. So guys, these are models that have been trained on large enormous amount of data. Now the thing is, from where did that data came up? The data came up from web, guys. If you understand that internet has been here from early 2000, and a lot of people have put a lot of information on internet, and now I am this is my personal assumption, right? Because all of us have different understanding of LLMs. My understanding is that information enough to model the world? The answer can be yes or no. I would still go for a no, but then I would have an idea that that information enough to just drive a lot of economic value and drive lot of scientific discovery. I would say yes. So based on that, it is being trained on. So what does training means? Training means, guys, is computing values of weights and biases, right? So essentially you have a neural network. OpenAI trains a neural network on an enormous amount of data. That neural network is based on what? It's based on transformers architecture. And guys, now a lot of changes have been also made at a very granular layer, and hence therefore you are able to work on the idea of next word prediction. So guys, the main idea and the main goal is next word prediction. If you'll see on this slide that I have mentioned, the main goal is next word prediction. Okay, I showed you in transformers how the next word is essentially predicted, and based on the next word prediction, the probability gets assigned, and then we move forward. So guys, see, now what is generative AI? So see guys, these are important things to know. See, generative AI in simple terms is the field of AI in which we are essentially generating some stuff. Okay, so guys, see, what we are essentially generating is next token, images, audio, video, any form of data you are able to see and model can generate, because it has learned. What does learning means? Training and just understanding and computing the values of weights and biases. Now the question is, why now? Guys, see, the main idea is we have had a lot of data on the internet. We have had an novel invention, that was transformers, and we have GPU. Once 1, 2 and 3, all three get aligned, it was successful. What is at stake? This is my way of asking, what is at stake? So guys, prima facie, there are three aspects to it. One is initial level things. One is at mid level and one is at future level. At future level, guys, no one can predict what is going to happen, since you don't know how good this technology can be. But mainly, guys, if it is able to lead to any sort of scientific discovery, that's my benchmark of it being extremely useful, and extremely dangerous if it can lead to scientific discovery. Today's system cannot lead to scientific discovery. Yes, they can provide a lot of economic output and economic value for sure. I am a firm believer of it, that if LLMs used correctly, they can provide a lot of economic value, a lot of business value. You could have a personal tutor into everyone's phone, a personal doctor at everyone's phone, a basic doctor at everyone's phone, and that's for sure. Now the thing is, does it work? Okay. Now the thing is, guys, a lot of people ask that, hey, is it just hype? Does it really work? Guys, it works. I would have been my career would have been I don't know how to say it, but the main idea is that if this technology wouldn't have come, maybe humans would have been valued more. But guys, now with the coming of this technology, a lot of things have changed. A lot of things have changed. The pace at which I work has changed. The pace at which I learn has changed. The pace at which I operate has changed. The way I search things has changed. Everything has changed, guys. It has really changed. And yes, it works. It works magically. Just to give you at a glimpse that LLMs work, and they work magically, and specifically for our course, for NLP based tasks, they work like exceptionally great. We would see a lot of things, but yeah, they work exceptionally great. Which LLMs are there? So guys, see, a lot of LLMs are there, right? OpenAI recently launched O1, right? They have their GPT series, so 4.0 is the latest release on that front. Then you have Google, which is doing a great work with Gemini. Then you have Anthropic, who is doing great work with Sonnet series. So every company, guys, has good set of LLMs. uh, I think OpenAI are the market leaders. They really control, I think, about 90% of the traffic. And yes, guys, there is no doubt and debate about the fact that OpenAI is an exceptional company. Yes, they have had ups and down, and the pace at which they are growing, they'll have these sorts of up and down very frequently, very frequently. There'd be many decision clashes. There would be many ethical issues, but yeah, all those things are there. Then the next thing is safety, guys. This is important. Okay, specifically I want to talk about NLP. The main thing, guys, is whenever you try to deploy an application, please make sure that it's safe enough. It's not like it's hallucinating, creating any content on its own. It can really dent the image of your business. So always be careful on the safety angle. Obviously there's a big philosophical debate that the moment systems become smarter than us and they start interacting with each other, then what is going to happen. I'll make a separate video on that. Then, guys, research. So guys, the main idea is that yes, the pace of research has been really high. Even if you'll see in archive, a lot of papers daily come up. A lot of people are doing research. A lot of people are working on novel techniques. A lot of people are perhaps working on understanding or evaluating agents. A lot of people are working on this space, that's neural network. Then you're able to see RLHF is reinforcement learning through human feedback. So guys, if you would understand, this is the third stage of aligning chat GPT's output in a way that it's human friendly. Okay, and there are a lot of things, guys. A lot of people are doing a lot of research. So yeah, that's obviously out there. And if you guys are young, guys, I want to tell you one thing, that if you are young and you have some space financially as well, so try exploring this area of research as well, specifically AI research. To my opinion, currently AI researchers are the like AI researchers are the dream of any organization. So, and they're gonna not stop, because AI research is not going to stop. Yes, there is a possibility that AI itself is going to do AI research, but still you would need a lot of researchers, so that field is going to go up. So if you have time, want to explore this, free field to do it. And then, guys, the last topic for today is AGI. So what is AGI? So guys, see, it's not something that's very simple to make people understand, but guys, the main idea is the moment AI systems would have general understanding and they surpass human understanding, so we would consider a state of AGI has been achieved. And yeah, I think this would come very soon, because there are a lot of benchmarks and a lot of people are working on to crack it. I think OpenAI would be the first organization to crack it. If everything goes good, Google is going to follow up very soon, and then others are going to catch up as well. So if you'll just type this levels of AI, so levels of AI, so let me just say levels of AI archive. So if you would see, guys, this let me just see, is this the correct paper? Yeah, I think this is okay. Yeah, so guys, see, this is the main thing you would need to know for AGI, that these are the systems that we need to understand a bit. One is that level 0, no AGI, no AI, sorry. Then emerging, equal or somewhat better than an unskilled humans. I would say it's an understating. I think Chat GPT even 3.5 is way better than a lot of humans. And then that's emerging AGI. Then competent, so that's at least 50 percentile of skilled labor. So we haven't reached over here in terms of general systems. Yes, specifically in terms of toxic detectors, smart speakers, and SOTA LLMs for a subset of tasks like simple coding. So that's achieved. Then it's expert. So expert is like Grammarly. And then you have image generation tools. Yeah, those are expert. then 99%, and then superhuman. So guys, that's out there. You are able to see, and if you have a system that's there, so that's essentially ASI, that's artificial super intelligence. So guys, yeah, I think this paper was released by Google, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, you need to just understand that these are the levels of AGI. Right now we are at level 2, so we have reached a stage where we have reasoning capabilities. So O1 is the first model which has got reasoning capabilities. It can plan tasks, it can execute tasks. A lot of people are evaluating it, but yeah, it can do it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very interesting course, very interesting times, and please just take out some time and read more about these things. These are going to really make you understand what's happening, and these are going to really be nice for your NLP knowledge as well. So on that note, I would like to end. Have a great day. Happy Diwali, and guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, guys.